About this item, AULCMEET Universal Projector Remote Control Replacement for Epson Home Cinema, Powerlite, EVX-VSH BrightLink EMP Series Projector EX3220X5220X5230 VS230 VS330X622575 WI585 WI595 WIX7220 BrightLink 425 WI430 I435 WI485 WI424 W434 75 WI480 EVX11 EVX12 EVX14 EVX14G EVX14H EVX15 TW480 EV1840 WEV1850 WEV1860 EV1870 EV1880 EV420 EV425 WEV430 EV435 WEV470 EV475 WEV475 WIEV480 EV480 EV480 IEV485 WEV485 WIEVC26X EEVC30X EEVS01 EVS02 EVS02H EVS11 EVS11H EVS12 EVW01 EVW02 EVW12 EVX02 EVX11 No programming required, battery type needed install, 2XAA in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item, AULCMEET Universal Projector Remote Control Replacement for Epson Home Cinema, Powerlite, EVX-VSH BrightLink EMP Series Projector EX3220X5220X5230 VS230 VS330X6225 75 WI585 WI595 WIX7220 BrightLink 425 WI430 I435 WI485 WI424 25 W434 75 WI480 IEVX11H EVX12 EVX14 EVX14G EVX14H EVX15F TW480 EV1840 WEV1850 WEV1860 EV1870 EV1880 EV420 EV425 WEV430 EV435 WEV470 EV475 WEV470